Hello, everyone. I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today we'll explain how to use Track Matte Key.
Let's begin. Let's start.
Using Track Matte Key, you can use clips on a particular track as a mask to combine videos. I will use Track Matte Key to create a video that cuts out images in the form of characters like this. Position the title on the timeline. This clip becomes a mask. This is the video used to cut out. The above title is applied as a mask to this video clip. Prepare a color matte. This color matte will be used as the background. From Effect Panel, Video Effect, select Keying, drag Track Matte Key into the clip placed in the second track. Once the Track Matte Key is added to the Effects Control panel, in Matte, let's select the track you want to make mask. This time, select Video 3 where the character clip is located. The title became a mask and the video was cut out. It's done! This concludes the explanation on how to use the Track Matte Key.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.